This is a reading from Among the Hidden, which is first in a series by Margaret Peterson Haddix. The summary is Luke had never been to school. He's never had a birthday party or gone to a friend's house for an overnight. In fact, Luke has never had a friend. Luke is one of the Shadow Children, a third child forbidden by the population police. He's lived his entire life in hiding, and now, with a new housing development replacing the woods next to his family's farm, he is no longer even allowed to go outside. Then one day, Luke sees a girl's face in the window of a house where he knows two other children already live. Finally, he's met a shadow child like himself. Jen is willing to risk everything to come out of the shadows. Does Luke dare to become involved in her dangerous plan? Can he afford not to? So I'm going to read to you from page 18 and 19 of Among the Hidden that goes along with your assignment today. The directions are to edit the following red text using punctuation, capitalization, and the quotation rules for dialogue. You may use the audio recording to help with hearing expressions in the dialogue. From The Hidden by Margaret Peterson Haddix, page 18. Overwhelmed, Luke closed his eyes, then opened them again for fear of missing something. Luke? Reluctantly, Luke slid down from his step-stool perch and scrambled over to recline innocently on his bed. Come in, he called to his mother. She climbed the stairs heavily. You okay? Luke dangled his feet over the side of the bed. Sure, I'm fine. Mother sat on the bed beside him and patted his leg. She swallowed hard. It's not easy, the life you've got to live. I know you'd like to look outside. You'd like to go outside. That's okay, Mother, Luke said. He could have told her about the vents. He didn't see how anyone could object to him looking out there. But something stopped him. What if they took that away from him too? What if Mother told Dad and Dad said, No, that's too much of a risk. I forbid it. Luke wouldn't be able to stand it. He kept silent. Mother ruffled his hair. You're a trooper, she said. I knew you'd hold up all right. Luke leaned against his mother's arm, and she moved her arm around his shoulders and hugged him tight to her side. He felt a little guilty for keeping a secret, but mostly reassured, loved and reassured. Then, more to herself than to him, Mother added, and things could be worse. Somehow that wasn't comforting. Luke didn't know why, but he had a feeling that she really meant was that things were going to get worse. He snuggled tighter against Mother, hoping he was wrong. All right, class, make sure you go back and re-edit all of those red lines. I highlighted them for you because those are the quotations in dialogue. Make sure that you hug everything that should be in the quotation. Go back to the slides from Tuesday if you have any questions about any of your dialogue, the quotation rules, and your speaker tags.